This 2024 Alliance RV Valor 42V13 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV North Myrtle Beach. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV is 44 feet 1 inch in length and features an Urban Slate interior, sleeps 7, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, patio deck, raised patio, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Alliance RV Valor 42V13 is 15,600 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.